Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on your WhatsApp application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to block a contact on your WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp application. It will display the inbox page of your WhatsApp. Select the contact you want to block and tap on it. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Among the options popped up, click on More. Now tap on Block option. If you want to report the contact, tick mark on Report Contact or else click on Block. This is how you can block a contact on your WhatsApp application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.